What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at it again with another video, and boy do I have so much content and stuff just to talk to you guys about. Regardless, we're going to get into all that in videos throughout this week and next week, but for today's video we're going to be talking directly about the CRO token, CRO coin, Crypto.com coin, whatever you want to call it. That's what we're going to be talking about today. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into the video. Let's go. If you guys are new around here, I make videos talking all about personal finance. So that means that you're interested in stuff like saving money, budgeting, credit cards, investing in cryptocurrencies, and other things. It's all related to money. I got you covered right here on the channel. So sit back, relax, subscribe, like, and let's not waste any more time. Let's talk about my thoughts regarding the Crypto.com coin, Crypto.com token, CRO coin, token. You know the deal. Let's get it. So I'm sure, as you guys know, cryptocurrency is taking over the world in so many different facets of life. It's all across it. People are making brand new cryptos every day that might solve issues now, that might solve issues in the future. Regardless, there's a cryptocurrency for just about everything, just like there's almost an app for just about everything on the Apple App Store. The CRO token is the native cryptocurrency for the Crypto.com platform. They give you the ability to buy and sell over 200 different cryptocurrencies. They allow you to invest into NFTs if you want to do stuff like that, crypto staking if you want to stake your crypto and earn interest on it, a crypto debit card to earn even more CRO plus other benefits, and way more. You can take advantage of all this on the Crypto.com app, which is what I use, or you can go to the Crypto.com website and do it that way. It's personally up to you. Not everything is offered on the app right away, like NFTs and stuff like that, but if you go on the website, you can look up the NFTs and see what they kind of have for a catalog of NFTs for you to go and bid on if you want to grab some NFTs, if you're into that type of stuff. NFTs, talked about in a previous video, definitely going to make more videos on it coming soon. Not in the immediate term, but just wait on it. It'll be there. So why exactly am I talking about Crypto.com today, or CRO today, when it's pretty much been on a tear for the past couple months? I would say 6-7 months. Crypto.com has been on the up and the up and the up, because actually it's over 800% as of recording this video from when I actually bought it myself. So like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, Crypto.com is pretty much everywhere, especially when it comes to their actual marketing. They have partnerships with the NBA as far as the Philadelphia 76ers. They got partnerships with PSG, F1, UFC, and now even the Staples Center. So the Staples Center will no longer be the Staples Center. I don't know if you guys have seen this news or not, but for the next 20 years, starting I believe December 20th of 2021, the Staples Center will now be renamed to the Crypto.com Arena. That is a $700 million deal for a 20-year stake, pretty much. It may be longer than that. We'll see when the 20 years go past, but pretty much an entire new generation won't know the Staples Center as the Staples Center. They're gonna know the Staples Center as the Crypto.com Arena, and crypto is taking over the world anyway, so this is all just crazy news to hear, to be completely honest. For all we know, 20 years from now, cryptocurrency and the Crypto.com platform will be a household name, possibly just like Nike, just like Apple, Procter & Gamble, products like that. It could be a household name for all we know, and that would be insane to think about, so we can only imagine where the price could go in the future. As of recording this video, we go look at the 1-year chart for the Crypto.com coin, or the CRO token. It is up over 800% in a single year. Not the best cryptocurrency out there, because trust me, there's been cryptocurrencies that pop off and go up 3,000-4,000% in a couple months, but this is still respectable easily. I mean, if I can earn 800% on my investment every time I go and invest in something, then I'll be filthy rich, and I probably wouldn't even be making these videos right now. That's from about 5 cents a coin to nearly being 70 cents a coin as of recording this video. It has hit 70, but I think it's dropped down just a little bit since I started recording. Well, on top of that, Crypto.com has over 10 million users currently, and of course they're adding more every single day. In the grand scheme of things, we also have to remember that marketing is not everything. Just because you throw money at something to pretty much make it popular, that doesn't mean it's actually going to be popular and go ahead and stick to the market and do, you know, good things and pretty much make more money going forward in the future. They have spent a lot of money on marketing as far as a lot of their partnerships, but that doesn't mean anything as far as the Crypto.com platform, because they've also been killing it on their roadmap onto success, and they keep adding more pretty much new goals and whatnot every single year to go ahead and reach those goals if they can. We met with some delays here and there, and we've seen some slight drops in the past because they did have to delay certain things, but overall the Crypto.com, if you look at the long term, is definitely going up, and that's the way I'm looking at it, and that's also the way I'm investing into CRO coin. For me personally, I've been invested into the CRO token since 19 cents, and I plan on investing in the CRO token for long term, and by long term I mean the next 10 to 20 years. Every single month I'll also be adding $50 to my initial investment, pretty much having a recurring recurring investment setup on the CRO coin, and we'll go from there for 10 to 20 years. And in 10 to 20 years, I can easily see this being a top platform, a top tier platform like Coinbase, like Binance, because they pretty much all offer the same thing. I'm not telling you to invest in them. This is all for entertainment purposes only. I simply wanted to bring it to you guys' attention. I mentioned it before in a previous video. I simply really like it. I really do like their platform and whatnot, and I feel like they're way more than the company than just a cryptocurrency, and it's overall something I want to be into in long term. You guys already know I talk about transparency here on the channel all the time. I show you guys all my crypto, all my stocks. The only thing I really don't show you guys is my personal bank account. That's pretty much it. And like, yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't show you guys my personal bank account. So I'm trying to let you guys know this is what I'm doing personally. You don't have to follow me at all, and I don't recommend you do that. Always do your own research, of course, when it comes to anything I talk about or anything anybody else talks about on the internet, because at the end of the day, it's your money, it's your investment, and you have to do what's best for you, especially when it comes to risk. And we already know how cryptocurrency is with risk. Either way, though, that's pretty much all I have to say on the CRO token, and that's what I'm doing with mine personally. Well, naturally, as more people grasp an understanding of cryptocurrency and the Crypto.com platform, I think the price of CRO will go up. It won't be any issues. They're already making a lot of money now. They can even afford to make these deals with the NBA, with PSG, with F1, with UFC. If they can afford to even make these deals right now, they're making a ton of money, which is great on their part and whatnot. So I don't see any issue with this. I'm definitely gonna be holding it long term. Let me know what you guys think of it down in the comment section below. There are other cryptocurrencies that I'm big into that I really do support. The video is not ready just yet, but I will be talking about a lot of cryptocurrencies. Some of my favorites, some metaverse cryptocurrency and stocks. That'll be great to listen to as well if you're interested in that. So make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more content like that. And that's pretty much that when it comes to that. Lastly, if you guys would like a full breakdown when it comes to the Crypto.com app, I already made that video. It'll be linked right up there for you. If you have any questions, let me know down in this video or down in that video in the comment section, and I'll make sure I can try to answer those. And if it comes down to it, I'll likely just make a brand new video going over everything, because they did change the app just a little bit and they added a couple new features which I do enjoy. So overall, yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you guys already know where to reach me down in the comment section, on my Instagram DMs. One of those places, it'll be great. Email works as well, but comment section or Instagram DMs, I'll probably can get to you faster than the email, just because I receive a lot of emails and I gotta like sort through it, and I'm a one-man army here, so it's a little rough. Either way though, thank you guys for watching. As always, like I said before, hit that like button, subscribe button, check out the links down below. The links down below will get you some free CRO if you're interested in that. It'll also get you some free other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin if you're interested in that as well, plus free stocks, plus free money back when it comes to gas, plus credit card links if you enter credit cards. I got a lot of stuff to talk about, guys. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a great week for this channel. Great next couple weeks, because I got a lot of content. Either way, I always do. I'm out. Take care of yourselves. Thank you guys for supporting me as always. Of course, on Patreon, if you guys are big into that. Thank you guys for both of the Patreon members that I have right now. Great stuff. I'm out. Take care of yourselves. Dollar Mike. Peace.